Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with a new video. In this video I'm going to show you the best one video editor. When you search in Google for the video editing software, there will be a line of video editing software. So in this way it will be difficult for you to choose the best one. So I'm going to show you the best one video editing software. Camtasia. Camtasia is an amazing software which can capture and record your on screen. It is capable of detecting the movement of the screen and execute it done. With this software, you can easily create professional clips without much skills. By using this software, you can import and edit HD movies from your camcorder to Windows. With Camtasia, you can easily share and manage your product on the internet. This software provides its usefulness in different sectors, especially the educational videos. You can record the screen in different variety of formats. You can also add photos and music to the capture movies. So when you will open the Camtasia, its interface will be like that. Its interface is very user friendly. You can use it easily. The main advantage of Camtasia is that you can also record your screen with video editing. So it's also a screen recorder. Here is the option of media from where you can add videos, audios and images. Then there is library in which there are intros, outros and other video related libraries. Here you can see multiple annotations. Then there are transactions which you can add in your videos. Then there are some behaviors for text movements which you can add in your videos. Then there are different animations, and here are some cursor effects. In more, there are some other features of Camtasia like voice narrations, audios, effects and visual effects. Now I will import a video here. Now you have to drag that video on track where you can edit your videos. After placing your video on track, when you right click, there will be option of separate audio and video, from which you can separate your video and audio. Now there will be two tracks, one of the video and the other of audio. Here you can set the format of your video. In project setting, like I set it to 1080p HD. In file you can save your project, like I saved it with the name of new. When you complete your video editing, you can save your video from the option of share. When you click on share, you have to go to custom production, then to new custom production, then to next, after which your video will be start saving. Use it for sure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.